Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.